Have you ever wondered how respect intertwines with the philosophy of Stoicism? Stoicism, an ancient but potent philosophy, and respect, the bedrock of human interactions, cross paths more often than you might think. These two concepts, seemingly distinct, can thread together to create a fabric of character that's hard to ignore. Picture Stoicism for a moment. Originating from ancient Greece, Stoicism is a philosophy that encourages us to accept things as they are, to be mindful of our reactions, and to focus on what we can control rather than what we can't. It's about understanding the world and our place in it, and navigating life's storms with serenity and strength. Now let's talk about respect. It's a currency in our daily interactions, a mutual exchange that strengthens bonds and fosters positive relationships. Respect is about recognizing the value in others and in ourselves. It's about treating everyone with dignity, regardless of their status or what they can offer us. But where do Stoicism and respect intersect? Well, Stoicism can shape our approach to earning respect. Stoic principles encourage us to seek understanding over judgment, to show kindness in the face of adversity, and to maintain consistency in our actions. These behaviors naturally cultivate respect. Stoicism teaches us that respect isn't something that can be demanded or bought. It's earned through our actions and attitudes, through the way we navigate the world and treat those around us. A Stoic understands that respect is a reflection of character, not a measure of power or wealth. So the intersection of Stoicism and respect is not just intriguing, it's illuminating. It sheds light on how we can earn genuine respect while staying true to our core values. It underscores the importance of authenticity, integrity, and humility in our pursuit of respect. With Stoicism as our guide, we can navigate the complex maze of human interactions, leaving a trail of respect in our wake. And as we'll discover, respect earned in this way is not fleeting, but enduring. Let's delve into some strategies that can help us earn respect while staying true to Stoic principles. The first strategy is to practice emotional resilience, a core tenet of Stoicism. Now, what does emotional resilience mean? It's the ability to adapt to stressful situations or crises. It's about bouncing back from difficult experiences and not allowing them to break you. Stoics view emotions as natural reactions to life circumstances, but they don't allow emotions to dictate their actions. Instead, they manage them with wisdom and rationality. To a Stoic, every emotional experience is an opportunity to learn and grow. So how does emotional resilience earn respect? When you display emotional resilience, you show strength of character. You show that you can face adversity without losing your cool. People respect those who can weather the storm without losing their sense of self. Remember, emotional resilience is not about suppressing emotions, but managing them in a balanced way. It's about maintaining your composure, no matter what life throws your way. The second strategy is to cultivate self-awareness. This is a key tenet of Stoicism and a powerful tool to earn respect. By understanding your thoughts, emotions, and reactions, you can navigate through life with more wisdom and poise. It's like being the captain of your own ship, knowing every nook and cranny, every strength and weakness. Self-awareness allows us to monitor our impulses, to pause before we react. It empowers us to respond rather than react, to choose kindness over hostility, understanding over judgment. Self-awareness is not about perfecting ourselves, but about knowing ourselves deeply, and in that knowing, finding the capacity to respect ourselves and others. Think of it as a mirror, showing us our true selves, not the distorted reflections we often see. It's about facing our truths, no matter how uncomfortable, and using them to grow and to connect authentically with others. Remember, self-awareness brings clarity to our actions and helps us remain respectful to others. Our third strategy is embracing humility. The Stoic philosophy places great value on humility, recognizing it as a virtue that helps us see the world and our place within it more clearly. Humility is about understanding our limitations, accepting them, and striving to learn and grow. It's about acknowledging that we don't know everything and that there's always more to learn. Humility is not about self-degradation or feeling lesser than others. It's about maintaining a balanced perspective of oneself, not inflated by ego or deflated by self-doubt. This balanced perspective allows us to interact with others in a genuine and respectful manner, fostering mutual understanding and respect. When we embrace humility, we allow ourselves to be open to listen and to understand. This openness can earn us respect from others. After all, respect is not about power or control, but about mutual understanding and appreciation. A humble person is always respected, for they place others before themselves. Our fourth strategy is practicing patience. In the realm of Stoicism, patience isn't merely a virtue, it's a steadfast pillar of strength. Stoics perceive patience as the ability to endure hardship without succumbing to frustration or despair. It's about accepting life's natural ebb and flow, understanding that everything unfolds in its own time, and there's a profound beauty in that. Now, why does patience earn respect? Well, in a world often driven by instant gratification, those who exhibit patience stand out. They exude a calm confidence, an unshakable resolve that whispers of inner strength. When you practice patience, you show others that you're not easily swayed by the whims of circumstance. You demonstrate that you can remain composed under pressure, that you can wait for the right moment rather than rushing in head first. Patience is a testament to self-control and resilience. It's a silent proclamation of your character. Patience is truly a virtue, one that earns immense respect. Our final three strategies are seeking wisdom, showing integrity, and maintaining consistency. Let's begin with seeking wisdom. Wisdom is the ability to think and act using knowledge, experience, understanding, common sense, and insight. But it's not just about acquiring information. True wisdom comes from discerning what is essential in life, what is ethically right, and having the courage to act on it. It's about being able to see the bigger picture and understanding the impact of our actions on others and the world at large. This aligns with the Stoic principle of understanding the nature of things and acting in accordance with it. When you seek and apply wisdom, others naturally respect you for your sound judgment and thoughtfulness. Next, let's discuss showing integrity. Integrity means staying true to your values and principles, even when no one is watching. It's about being honest, trustworthy, and ethical in all your dealings. According to Stoicism, integrity is about aligning your actions with your inner virtue. It's about being the same person in both private and public life. When you show integrity, you earn respect because people value authenticity and trustworthiness. Lastly, maintaining consistency. Consistency is about sticking to your commitments, whether they're big or small. When you maintain consistency, you show others that you're reliable and dependable. You also demonstrate self-discipline, a key element in Stoicism. The Stoics believed in the power of routine and consistency in cultivating virtue. When you're consistent, you prove your reliability, and people respect reliability. Each of these strategies can earn respect from others. Seeking wisdom shows you're thoughtful and insightful. Showing integrity demonstrates you're trustworthy and authentic. Maintaining consistency proves you're reliable and disciplined. But more than gaining respect from others, these strategies help us lead a meaningful and fulfilling life. They align with the Stoic principles of living in accordance with nature, cultivating inner virtue, and maintaining self-discipline. Wisdom, integrity, and consistency are the cornerstones of Stoicism and the pillars of respect. We've explored 7 powerful strategies to earn respect, all grounded in Stoicism. Let's take a moment to reflect on them all. Emotional resilience, the first strategy, is about staying calm in the face of adversity, not letting our emotions control us. It requires practice, but it's a cornerstone of Stoicism and a key to earning respect. Self-awareness, our second strategy, helps us understand our strengths and weaknesses. It's about knowing who we are and what we stand for, and it's the bedrock of authenticity, a quality highly respected by others. Humility, the third strategy, involves recognizing our limitations and being open to learning from others. It's a sign of strength, not weakness, and it's a trait that commands respect. Patience, our fourth strategy, is about having the fortitude to endure hardship without complaint. It's about being steadfast in our purpose, and it's a virtue that earns respect. Our fifth, sixth, and seventh strategies are intertwined. They are seeking wisdom, showing integrity, and maintaining consistency. Wisdom is about learning and growing. Integrity is about doing what's right, even when it's hard. And consistency is about being reliable and dependable. These are traits that earn respect and are deeply rooted in Stoic philosophy. Now, how can we practice these strategies in our daily lives? It's about making small changes gradually. It's about reflecting on our actions and asking ourselves if they align with these strategies. It's about being mindful of our responses to challenges and making a conscious effort to respond with resilience, self-awareness, humility, patience, wisdom, integrity, and consistency. Remember, respect is not just about how others see you, but how you see yourself, and Stoicism offers us a powerful lens to shape this self-perception.